Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June the 5th, 2025, and we're going to be getting some Blue Lake bush beans planted in these two rows here. We expanded the garden out this year. We had a whole lot of rain and cold weather, so we're kind of late getting our garden in, but we're going to get it planted here. I got to go get the seeds and I'll be right back. So I'm getting my bean seeds here out of my little cool pack. I'm going to get the zip back up, keep my seeds nice and cool. So I have my bean seeds here, and the Bush Blue Lake is our favorite beans to grow. We've been growing them for years, and we always look for them. So we're going to start putting these in. I put these about 6 inches apart. This is a great variety for canning. And our soil has already been amended with horse manure. We have a 10-10-10 fertilizer in it, a balanced fertilizer. So I'm going to finish getting these rows planted out, and then we're going to come back and get them covered. Okay, so the beans here are going to get covered. And being that this is a new spot in the garden, we're doing some different testing here to see how different stuff grows. So these rows aren't very long, and this testing this is going to tell us what will grow best where and what to plant in which areas of the garden. So the Bush Blue Lake is our favorite, like I was saying earlier. We do have some other favorite bush beans. We like the Dragon Tongue, and we're trying some different wax beans. Last year all the wax beans got mixed up and it was kind of a mess, and we didn't know which one we had tried and which one we had liked and didn't like, so not sure which one we had really liked on the wax beans, but the Bush Blue Lakes and the Dragon Tongues are our favorite. You can plant your Dragon Tongue beans or your wax beans exactly like we did these here. You can see these rows here are short because they are samples to see what's going to work best, being that this is the new area of the garden. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button all times I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!